Somewhere beneath the waves, a shadow moves, bigger than any creature that has ever walked the earth, bigger than the largest dinosaur that ever lived. And yet, as it glides through the deep, nothing about it feels violent. No roar, no chase, no struggle, just silence, and the slow, deliberate power of something ancient. This is the whale, the largest animal in the history of our planet, and one of the gentlest. But survival at this size comes with problems no other creature on Earth has ever had to solve. A blue whale can stretch close to 30 meters long and weigh as much as 25 elephants combined. Its heart alone can weigh as much as a small car, pumping thousands of liters of blood through a body too massive to imagine. Yet this ocean giant survives almost entirely on some of the smallest creatures alive. Krill, tiny shrimp-like animals barely visible to the naked eye. A single blue whale can consume several tons of krill in a single day, filtering enormous mouthfuls of ocean water through comb-like structures called baleen. No teeth, no hunting, no chase, just scale, patience, and an appetite measured in tons. But being this large in open water creates a problem few animals ever face. A whale is not a fish, it's a mammal, and that means it has to breathe air, even while living its entire life at sea. Every dive is a calculated risk. Some whales can hold their breath for over an hour, diving hundreds of meters into crushing pressure and total darkness in search of food. Their bodies have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive it. Collapsible lungs, oxygen-rich blood, and a slowed heartbeat that conserves energy in the deep. But eventually, no matter how deep the dive, the whale must return. Rising toward the surface, toward light, toward air. One breath at the surface can mean survival for the next 30 minutes below. In the vast darkness of the open ocean, sound travels farther than sight ever could. Whales have turned this into one of the most extraordinary communication systems in the animal kingdom. Humpback whales produce complex, structured songs that can last for hours and travel for many kilometers underwater. Some low-frequency calls, produced by species like the blue whale, are among the loudest sounds made by any animal on Earth, capable of traveling across entire ocean basins. Scientists still don't fully understand everything these songs communicate. Mating calls, location signals, perhaps something closer to conversation. In a world without light, sound is how giants find each other, despite their size. Most whales pose little threat to other animals and almost none to humans. But gentle does not mean defenseless. A single strike from a whale's tail can generate enormous force, capable of injuring or even killing a predator that gets too close. Orcas, the ocean's true apex predators, have been known to hunt young or vulnerable whales in coordinated attacks. Adult whales often respond by grouping together, positioning their young at the center for protection. It's a slow, deliberate kind of strength, one built for defense, not conquest. A newborn blue whale calf can weigh as much as an adult elephant at birth. From the very first day, it drinks enormous quantities of nutrient-rich milk from its mother, gaining weight at a staggering rate. Some calves can gain over 90 kilograms a day during their first months of life. The mother stays close, guiding her calf through open water, teaching it how to dive, how to feed, and how to survive in an ocean filled with danger. Years later, that calf will grow into one of the largest animals to have ever existed, carrying forward a species that has survived in the oceans for millions of years. For all their size and power, whales remain vulnerable to forces they cannot fight. Ship strikes, fishing gear entanglement, ocean noise, and the lingering effects of historical whaling have all placed pressure on whale populations around the world. Some species are slowly recovering. Others remain critically endangered. Protecting whales means protecting the oceans they depend on, the same oceans that support countless other forms of marine life. The largest animals on Earth still need room to survive. There is something almost impossible about the whale. A heart the size of a car, lungs built to survive the crushing dark of the deep, a voice that can travel across an entire ocean, and a strength that rarely, if ever, chooses to use against others. The whale doesn't rule the ocean through violence, it rules through sheer, patient scale, a giant that learned how to be gentle. This is the whale, the gentle giant of the sea. Thanks for watching Predator Planet. If you enjoyed this documentary, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife stories. We'll see you in the next adventure.